We remember at the round table. The circle is activated, and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being are arranged to recalibrate the origin of the Philosopher's Stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form is expressed as sodium. This is the substance we are ordering. The 11th particle of the stone presents itself as a reactive metal, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the Wheel of 12. Today we share the point of view of balance. The Throne of Libra opens the 7th position and directs the gaze toward electrolyte balance. From this seat, sodium reveals itself as an element that must be maintained in exact proportion with other electrolytes, as the ion whose blood concentration ranges between 135 to 145 milliequivalent/L in perfect equilibrium. What exploded, crystallized, transmitted, protected, shone, and refined now finds just proportion in bodily balance. Sodium neither lacks nor overflows in healthy blood. Each millimole holds its precise place in homeostasis. Each ion respects the equilibrium that sustains life. Sodium inhabits the boundary between hyponatremia and hypernatremia, the balance that requires constant renal adjustment, the narrow range that separates health from disease. When observed from the Throne of Libra, the alkali metal finds electrolyte harmony, reciprocity with other ions, and the capacity to sustain tension between excess and deficiency. Explosiveness becomes physiological balance. Chemical reactivity organizes itself as harmony of concentrations. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of exact equilibrium. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of internal reactive metal and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. By holding your gaze, balance is established, and the 7th face of the Philosopher's Stone is polished. Sodium is balanced. The wheel continues its conscious turning. Today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold internally a single affirmation throughout the practice. I am balancing sodium in just proportion. Allow the mind to remain serene and harmonious at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 complete breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with electrolyte imbalance, excess that swells, deficiency that weakens, rupture of homeostasis. Emotion is brought into order through balance. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am balanced sodium. Repeat it 3 times, consciously. Drink the water slowly, integrating electrolyte balance into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra. I create as I speak.